Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this. This is a collapsible shower threshold, whatever damn it's called. Never knew what they were called before, but we have this shower here and it's been leaking like under the thing and all that stuff. And so our goal here is to stop that from happening. And if I can open this, I will show you what I mean. Which open it here. So it comes with our thing that's going to keep the water from coming out, and it's got the VHB, like the tape under it, you know, the high whatever strength tape. But it also comes with some other little kit of stuff. It comes with some, I'm gonna guess this is not toothpaste. It's probably caulk. It looks like toothpaste. No, fool somebody someday put that in their stuff. But okay, and then we have like a little pick here to pick out stuff and to pick out caulk and to put, you know, to clean it up and make it smooth. And we even have like plastic, and that's the little applicator tip for it as well. So, but we're going for the Duster with just the straight one here. And so you see the way it works. And our goal will be putting it right down there like that. And that is, once we get it all down and good, sorry, it got dirty from the stuff in here. But once we get it all down and good, we will be keeping the water from exiting this shower. So how cool is that? It's gonna be super awesome. Thumbs up, definitely awesome.